Now that we all are home in quarantine, safely locked up, let's look after jewelry. We have plenty of time to do so. I'm going to run you through a process of cleaning jewelry the simple way. This is good especially for our diamond jewelry. And Indian women always have some at home, so let's do it now. As you can see, the jewelry is here. I have some bowls placed with liquid in it. What am I using? Soap, liquid soap, add a little into water, lather it up. Warm water in another bowl. Some vodka. Vodka is a good cleaning agent, especially for diamonds. Just pour enough to be able to immerse our piece in it. Let's pick up one diamond ring here. A nice solitaire one. Step 1, put it in the vodka. Immerse it for some time. Take a nice clean brush, not the brush you're using daily. Go into the crevices of the ring, clean it thoroughly. If there are any viruses hiding, those will be gone too. Next step, put it in the soap solution. Clean well with your brush, especially the setting area, and then into the warm water. Clean well. All traces of vodka and soap should go away. And then pat dry your ring on a clean napkin like this. And your ring is sparkling new. See the solitaire shining?